Here's a 1984 Cadillac. It's an Eldorado, convertible Biarritz. No accidents indicated on the Carfax. Just a little over 111,000 miles on this one. 4.1 liter V8 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front grille, bumper. Chrome, bright work, looks good up front. Autumn Maple Metallic is the color of this car. And it will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures, over 100 pictures of this car online. Ankle radial tires, Cadillac wheel covers. Of course, this is a front-wheel drive vehicle. Maple leather interior. Power seats both sides, power windows, power locks, all the power windows work, power top, it's white vinyl. We're going to put that up at the end of this video. Check it out. As you can see, it also has the convertible top cover or parade boot. Take a look at this passenger side a little closer. You can see the filler panels back here are intact. Did notice there's kind of a little ding right there. You can kind of see that. Paint shows well on this car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Let's take a look at the chrome in the rear of it. There's some imperfections in the paint. It has a nice shine to it. One of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun, put the top down. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, and your local shows. This filler panel's got a little misalignment down there, but still intact. UniqueClassicCars.com. So you can take a look at all the pictures, take your time looking through them. A couple little touch-up spots here. There's a few on there. Previous owners taking care of the vehicle. Speaking of previous owner, this car was with the previous owner before coming to us for practically 30 years, so long-term ownership. So we take a look down the driver's side. Said it was a summer only fun car for him. Let's take a look at the leather in the back seats. Very nice condition. Of course, your power seats, both sides I mentioned earlier, power windows, power locks, remote mirrors, tilt and telescopic wheel. There's the exact miles, 111,463. AM, FM cassette stereo system, electronic climate control. Radio is working, power antenna.
Includes unlimited ride wristbands to nickel.
Oops, turn that off for now. Top of the dash, nice shape. Tell this car was stored indoors, no doubt about that. Slip around to the back. This car does have a new muffler, resonator, and tailpipe. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let me pop this hood and take a look at the engine bay. And then we'll take a look at the top and wrap this video up. So here's the underside of the hood. Hood liners Nice and clean for an 84. A little tough to see with the glare off that light. There it is, 4.1 liter. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Very stock looking engine bay, what you'd expect. It does have a battery disconnect. If you have it in storage or between drives, want to disconnect the battery. And it appears the AC has also been converted to the 134 from R12. Smooth runner, looks good, sounds good underneath there. And last but not least, let's run this power convertible top up, which functions as it should. It's white vinyl, and let's check it out. And a look at it with the top up. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Also rolled up the side glass on both sides, so you can see that that's fitting nice and snug. White vinyl, free of rips, tears, holes. Really not even discolored. Glass rear window. And the passenger side. Again, you can see free of rips, tears, holes over here. Side glass, nice snug fit. And how many times are you going to drive with it up? You're going to be enjoying the summer. Top down, nice weather. 1984 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz convertible. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. You can do that by calling in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out over 100 pictures of this car online. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1984 Cadillac Eldorado. This is a convertible. It is a nice red color inside and out with wood green. This is an automatic on the column, so it is easy to drive. The air conditioning is blowing cold right now. We have the digital speedometer working well. Fuel gauge is reading just about empty. That's probably correct. Your radio is working. Cruise control also working. Our windshield wipers are functioning. Nice leather split bench seat with extra padding, very comfortable. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays nice and straight. It has that luxurious Cadillac ride, so it takes the bumps very well. Brakes are working well. Automatic climate control, and that is working. This car corners good. It doesn't lean that much in the corners. Kick down is working for the transmission. This has the telescoping steering wheel with the lever. That works well. Very nice Cadillac. Take a look at all the pictures and read all the details at UniqueClassicCars.com.